Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to this new video. I don't know what happened again, but the clip it's gone. I didn't find it. So today we're going to talk about the bigs and culps and I hope that you enjoy it.
Alright, so what is big and culp? Big means basic interpersonal communications skills. That means that this is a social English students use for everyday communication, simple communication. For example, to say good morning, hello, can I go to the restaurant, even talk with their friends about a party, about soccer, about music, etc. Students usually develop the bigs uh, quickly because that is naturally they don't have to follow pointers, they don't have to remember they have to use this structure and that stance or that. No, just something natural. But on the other hand, um, we have the culps. What is culps? Culps means cognitive academic language proficiency. That it's basically the academic English for a school task. Because the bigs are not for school tasks, they are more interactive and also is low pressure. But the culp is about the the academic part of their students. So, for example, could be when the teachers explains about the experiment, okay, in a science class, or maybe when they have to write a paragraph, have to say write essays about uh, something specific like historical events. So the culp develops slowly because it requires grammar, vocabulary, critical thinking, and so on. So basically, that is culp and that is big. Um, in a real classroom comparison, we can say that it's difference, okay? Because the bigs and students um, can tell, for example, hey teacher, when they do an activity, hey teacher, I finished, when they would finish with that task. But um, at the same time, students struggle to answer few words, for example. Okay, I want to give you one example of each one. For example, in bigs could be when a student greet other, or when they greet each other, or when they chat easily. They're not thinking about the grammar. They don't know develop their critical thinking skills, etc. So that is big, something nature. But on the other hand, a culp could be that when they are in math class and they hesitate when they ask to the teacher to explain that problem, or maybe they are in science class and they ask to the teacher but they hesitate to ask the teacher what water cycles is in a summary story. So that is a culp. um, Both are very important, in fact, because both of them grow in different speed, and one is more for natural or maybe for live real life situations, and the other one is for academic. They're also very important for our students. We are almost on the almost part of the video, so the question is, how can teacher balance both? Can balance the bigs and cups? Well, uh, teachers need to support both of them because both of them are very important, because the bigs help students be confident, feel included, and socially connected. On the other hand, we have the cups, and here students, the cups help students to succeed academically in English, especially in reading and writing and science and math, okay, in specific subjects. And also, um, one, make a student sounds fluently, but on the other hand, yes, will struggle them in academic task. So, despite of that, it will help them to be more efficient in the academic part. So, now understanding this, we can help students to understand that COP is not bad and push them to improve themselves. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you like it. So bye bye, see you.